Hello there, Manyepa here, and I have two questions that I would love to share with you today in this clip, and they're from chemistry. The first question reads: Zinc can be reacted with steam using an apparatus shown below. In the reaction of zinc with steam, gas A and solid B are formed. So we have a test tube there. Cotton wool soaked in water, heat here on the water to turn it to steam, and then we've got the piece of zinc metal there, then we've got water and this apparatus here which can be used to collect a gas that is less dense than air. So I've already solved, not to waste so much time. So then name the gas A. The gas A is hydrogen. Okay. State the product formed when gas A burns in air. State the product formed when gas A burns in air. Therefore, hydrogen burns or reacts with oxygen to produce water. Number C, give two uses of gas A. Therefore, give two uses of hydrogen. My first use there is in the hydrogenation of unsaturated hydrocarbons. Therefore, for example, in the process of making margarine or butter or hydrogen is added to unsaturated hydrocarbons to make them saturated and become solid at RTP, or become more hard at RTP. The second function there is in the manufacture of ammonia. Hydrogen is a raw material. D, what solid or what is solid B? Therefore, after this reaction takes place, steam reacts with zinc and then a gas is collected here. Therefore, what gets to be formed as solid B is zinc oxide. Zinc oxide. Then number 2 there is construct a balanced chemical equation with state symbols for the reaction between substance B and dilute hydrochloric acid. Dilute hydrochloric acid. Therefore, zinc oxide reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid. You've got the zinc oxide there reacting with HCl to give you zinc chloride and water. Okay, so you get water and the salt. This is the salt and that's water. This is a base. A base reacts with an acid in a neutralization reaction to give you water and the salt. So that's where this question ends. And this question was worth 8 marks. Let's get to the next question. This one is coming from organic chemistry, and the question reads: the table below shows the structural formula of various monomers and the polymers that can be made from them. Okay, that's our table, that's our monomer there: ethene, tetrafluoroethene, then we've got W here. Then polyethene is the monomer that would result if these react with each other, if these monomers react with each other. And then polytetrafluoroethene is the polymer which would result if tetrafluoroethene monomers were to bond. So the first question: identify the monomers which are hydrocarbons. Identify the monomers which are hydrocarbons. Therefore, the monomers here which are hydrocarbons are this one and that one. Therefore, compounds or monomers only made of carbon and hydrogen. Here there's fluorine, so this is not a hydrocarbon. It's a halogen alkane. Number B, name the monomer W. The monomer W is propene. Name the monomer W. The monomer W is, let's look at it again. That's propene, okay? I've ended up naming the product, okay? Sorry. So this is actually propene. Number C, draw the display structure of polymer Y. Therefore, the polymer that would be formed by propene, which is polypropene. That was actually what was on my mind. So the structure would be this one, though I've summarized it, but this would be the structure that would result if propene was to react with itself, join with itself. Number D, identify the common feature among the monomers in the table above. The common feature is that they are unsaturated. They have double bonds each in their structures. So the answer here is they are unsaturated. Give the name of the compounds with this feature. They are alkenes. Compounds with a double bond are referred to or fall under the class of alkenes. Finally, decane can be cracked to produce hexane and butene. Okay, explain the meaning of the word cracking. My answer there is breakdown of large organic molecules to smaller ones. Okay, I couldn't specify much because there are actually two types of cracking. Okay, so here they've just said cracking in general. Therefore, breakdown of large organic molecules to smaller ones. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe. Bye bye.